Assalamu alaikum dear learners. Today we are going to learn about the operators in C++. First of all, we must know what are the operators. Operators are actually, these are symbols that tell the computer to perform a specific computing task. Let's suppose you are adding plus between two operands. It will perform the addition between two operands. If you will use this static for it, it will be used for multiplication. So there are different operators that are used in C++ to perform some specific task. So let's discuss what are these operators. Uh, Assignment operator. It is used to assign values to the variables like a is equal to 5. This equal to sign is actually the value of this is assigned to this variable a. Then comes arithmetic operators. These are used for arithmetic operations. Then comes arithmetic assignment operators. Then comes increment or decrement operators. Then relational operators. Then logical operators are there. Then ternary operator are there. These are different types of operators that are used in C++ language, and from now onwards we will learn these one by one. So let's discuss assignment operator first of all. Let's see what assignment operator perform for us. Let's start our program. Hash include iostream using namespace std main. Assignment operator is actually represented by an equal to sign, and it is used to assign value of an expression to the variable. I am going to write the general form for the assignment operator, that is variable equal to expression. Let's suppose I am taking two variables, int a comma b. If I give the value a is equal to 5, this is the variable initialization. If I here I have declared two variables a and b, and now I'm giving the value to this variable a, that is equal to 5. Now what will happen, this value 5 will be assigned to this variable a, and this equal to sign is an assignment operator. This expression that I am telling you, that variable is equal to expression, this can be some constant value, like here I gave it a constant value. It can be b is equal to a, as I am using it as a reference, as a has stored the value 5 and now b is getting the value of a. So this can be another variable, okay, and this can be a formula like int c is equal to a plus b. Now this is some operation. So whenever you want to assign some value to the variable, this the requirement will be an assignment operator. The right side expression or constant value will be assigned to the left side variable. Okay. Now if we print these statements, see out, first of all I'm going to print a, and then I'm using endl manipulator, that is for the next line. See out, now I am printing b endl, and here if a is having the value 5, this b will automatically get the value of a, this a. Okay, and now see out, c is equal to here I am printing c, here it will print the value 10, and then this b I'm also writing here as b is equal to this slash t for the space, or here again insertion operator, and same c is equal, sorry, here a is equal to slash t, and here because I'm using a variable now, insertion operator. Now let's print the value, print the result, file, save. This is our assignment operator. Execute, compile and run. Now you can see that a has the value 5, b we have assigned the value to b as a. Any value that a is having, it will be given to this variable b, and c as a is having value 5, b is having value 5, and the result of c is a plus b. Now if I change the value of a as 10, now you will see the result. File, save, execute, compile and run. Now you can see a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, the same value that a is having, and c is having the value 20, that is 10 plus 10 equals to 20. So it is assignment operator. The next to assignment operator is arithmetic operators that we will discuss later on. So practice this assignment operator, give the values to various variables, and for your better understanding, because as much as you will practice for C++, you will get more knowledge, you will get more used to of it, of writing programs in C++. Thank